welcome to module 3 of section 2. In this module, we are going to talk about some alternative tools of Flipper Zero and how you can get Flipper Zero for cheap. We all know that Flipper Zero is banned in India and importing it or bringing it in aeroplanes can lead to holds by customs. Now, how you can get Flipper Zero in India and what are the alternative tools to Flipper Zero and why Flipper Zero is the convenient option if compared to all the alternative tools. First, let's talk about Pro X Mark III. Pro X Mark III is another tool that is used for RFID and NFC cloning. If we talk about Pro X Mark, it is an RFID Swiss Army tool allowing for high and low level interactions. Now Flipper Zero, as discussed in the previous video, can clone and emulate RFID tags and systems. RFID tags and systems are used worldwide. Originally, the Pro Mark III is a tool that can be used to clone RFID cards. It is an advanced tool for hardware penetration testing, especially the RFID section of the penetration testing. Pro X Mark III also has a Bluetooth and standalone mode. It is called Blue Shark. There is also a version called iCopy X, which is a RDV4 accessory for Pro X Mark III. Again, these all systems are related to RFID hacking. But what about radio frequency hacking? Our car keys and other technologies like garage doors use radio frequency. Hack RF1 is a gadget that is software defined radio frequency analyzer. This works similar to Flipper Zero and can emulate car keys. Flipper Zero also has GPIO pin support. This is why there is an alternative to this attack called Raspberry Pi, or you can use Arduino. There are boards like ESP8232 and ESP82 chipsets which can be used for GPIO pin hacking and wireless hacking. Raspberry Pi 3 or Raspberry Pi 5, that is the latest version, is widely used if we talk about a single board computer. Talking about hardware hacking, Flipper Zero also has an option for bad USB. Bad USB is a USB that works as an hardware human interface device, HID device, and it can work as a keyboard. Bad USB can also destroy the system completely, and that's where the Flipper Zero comes in hand. All these are the alternatives to Flipper Zero, but these are costly. If we add all these technology and we create a GUI, that is graphical user interface, and a simple app for it, then Flipper Zero is the best answer. Now the question being, where you can find Flipper Zero? You can connect with us on LinkedIn and we'll help you out to get Flipper Zero in your country. Thank you for watching this video. Please connect with us on LinkedIn for more details.